Hi, today I'm running my REALME C17 and I'll show you how to customize AD option on this device. So let's first open this the AD option application, the Muviz Edge. Here in AD section, select just another tab and tap to apply. We could switch here the backgrounds. To change them, we should just swipe to the up or to the down, and to apply them, click the apply button. We could here also change music controls time. We could hide it after 10 seconds or just never. We could show notifications and the date, and battery status to show it always while device charging or never. Let's go back, switch AD to the settings tab to always on display. We could turn it on and turn it off by click on the switcher in the right upper corner. We could show it on lock screen always while device charging or on music, and we could decrease and increase the brightness level. Here we got the AD timeout. We could change it from 5 seconds to never, from low power after. By the same way, we could switch the timeout. We could switch the screen orientation to close it by double or single tap on the lock screen. To close it on fingerprint if you use fingerprint and lock method, to close it on screen off, to set the shadow, the start, the end time, and also we could turn on and turn off burn-in protection and pocket modes, and we could disable this option during the calls. So that's it, that's how to customize AD option on our REALME C17. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.